So on one of my calculator videos, somebody asked me how do you store a string. And anybody that does any programming knows a string is like a line or a set of characters that you could pull up at any point in time. Well, the easiest way to do that is you hit alpha and then the plus sign, which gives you these little quotes, and then you type in what you want to say. So I'm just going to say atoms. And then, so you put that in quotes, and then what you do is you hit store. Then to get to this where they store the strings, you hit vars for variables, and it's option number 7. So you could, if you hit 7, that'll work. If you, and you've got a bunch of strings you could choose from, and you can reset the strings and delete them and edit them. But I'm going to store that to string 2. So when I hit enter, it says that. So now, when I want to pull that back up, if I just go back to vars, I've got 2 of these set. If I hit string 1, that's hello, and then if I hit vars again, and I put in string 2, that'll say Adam. So the strings you can store, you got to store it in those memory locations, but then you can put it in, like if you were to write a program